Hi everyone and welcome back to part 2 of our workflow tutorial series. In this video we'll be showing how to transfer looks quick and easy from live looks into Scratch for Dailies. For this video we've set up a rather simple project. So we have one camera and only one shooting day, and we created 4 different looks. For scene 12, a smudgy dirty look. Scene 13 has a rather bluish look. Scene 14 is black and white, and the last scene has a rather yellowish kind of look to it. Now, in order to get all the looks over to Scratch for Dailies, we actually don't have to export a thing. It's already there. Because during the live grading, LiveLooks created this handy folder structure over here where it has the shooting day, and inside for each scene a folder containing the grade files, before and after screenshots and such. So let's exit LiveLooks and enter into our Dailies project in Scratch. Now to start, let's import our folder with the files from that shooting day. Here we go. As you can see, for each and every clip, Scratch brings the corresponding metadata with it, and all that metadata will obviously get rendered into our dailies as well. Now, to get our looks matched onto the correct clips, let's enter the LiveLooks matcher. Here we set the folder to the production folder, and then we can select our day. There's only one. Our camera, there's also only our A cam, and we can select the grade type which we want to apply to our clips once a match is found. I'll stick to CCR, but we could as well choose CDL or the LUT that we created in LiveLooks to be applied to our clips. The CCR, however, uses the Scratch grading tools to achieve the look, which all operate in floating point, and hence the quality is the best choosing this option. Now the last option is the copy option. Obviously you can just select no copy here and nothing will happen, but that's really not what you want to do. So the other 2 options are consolidate and rename to source clip. What does that mean? First of all, obviously Scratch will consolidate all the looks into one folder. But what it also does is rename all the lookup table CDLs and CCRs to their respective clip names. This makes matching looks in post so much easier because, well, the looks, be it a LUT or a CDL, have the exact same file name as the clip they belong to. And alternatively, the other option is to do the very same thing with regards to the renaming, but not consolidate them into one folder, but copy them next to each and every clip. This means that the clip and the look that corresponds to it are within the same folder next to each other. This really helps for post facilities to write scripts in order to automatically load the looks onto the corresponding clips in their application of choice. Alright, for the sake of simplicity, I'm gonna choose no copy, hit match, and as you can see we have 9 clips and all 9 of them got a match. If I now hit apply, we can see that our dirty, smudgy look applies to the first 3 clips, the bluish look to the next 3, the black and white to those 2, and the yellow look for the last clip. If I go to color effects, I can just shuttle through the timeline and watch all the looks applied to our source clips. Now, this being said, there's an even faster way of achieving all this. Let me go back to the Construct tab and hit the Import Clips button again. Now, before importing all the clips again, let's enable the Create New Timeline option. This option does a whole lot more than just creating a new timeline. If I hit Open, I get to this dialog. Now I can select in which group I want to create the new timeline, how the timeline should be named, if I want to apply any framing, if I want to automatically load and sync audio, calculate file sizes for my reports, apply lookup tables. But look at that, we also have the Match LiveLooks option here. And again, I would set the path, I would set the type of file that I want to load. Again, hit no copy, hit OK, and voila, all the clips imported, optionally synced with audio, and all the looks are already matched and applied to their respective clips. All that's left to do is some quality checking and then rendering out everything to, say, Avid MXF using our pre-made output templates, including burn-in, reframing, downscaling, and everything you need in order to create your dailies. Alright, that's it for a quick video showing how to carry over your looks from live grading to dailies using Assimilate Live Looks and Scratch. Next up, part 3, the last part of our workflow series, where we're doing a very similar workflow with DaVinci Resolve.